Alright guys, totally enjoyed the show everyone. I'm gonna sing a cover of Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now. Originally from Starship something, I don't know the name of the band. Alright, totally enjoyed this cover. It was from a movie Mannequin, I think, or I forget what the movie was, but it involved mannequins that came to life. Alright, thank you for watching. And we can build this thing together, stand it strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world falls out from under, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I needed is you. All that I ever need. All that I want is you. Hold me forever and ever and ever. And we can build this thing forever, standing strong together. Nothing's gonna stop us, no. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I needed is you. All that I ever need, all that I want is you. Hold me forever and ever and ever. Click that subscribe, darlings. Cover time with Melina. Bye, everyone.